Hey everyone! Today we're going to draw a D16 from Transformers 1 movie. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our next drawing videos. And remember, if you feel the video is going a bit too fast, you can always slow it down from the playback settings in the bottom right corner.
Fun fact, D16 was once just a simple worker in the Energon mines of Cybertron. Yep, before becoming a warrior, he was one of the toughest laborers in the underground world of Kayon. Interesting story. D16 used to fight in illegal gladiator arenas to survive. That's where he learned how to be a fearless fighter and gained the respect of other bots. Fun fact, symbolic eye color changes. His optics, or eyes, change color throughout Transformers 1 to reflect his state of mind. They are yellow in his regular minor state, orange when he is conflicted, and turn red when he fully embraces his rage and becomes Megatron. Did you know? The number D16 isn't just random. It was actually his worker ID. It's a reminder of his humble beginnings before destiny turned him into something much bigger. Cool trivia. In the movie Transformers 1, D16 is shown as strong but thoughtful, a character who still had hope for change. That movie finally shows us how everything started. Here's something neat. Fans in the Transformers community often say D16 was never truly evil. He just wanted justice for the lower-class Cybertronians. His anger just got out of control. Cool detail. D16's iconic weapon? It's actually a modified mining tool. He rebuilt it himself from the same machines he once used in the mines. Talk about turning tools into power. Did you know? Some versions of the story say that D16 was almost chosen to become a Prime, but the Council rejected him. That rejection changed his fate forever. A brother to Optimus Prime. Before their rivalry, D16 and Orion Pax, the future Optimus Prime, were best friends and fellow miners. D16 was often the more cautious and cynical of the two, acting as a grounding presence for the more idealistic Orion. And finally, the coolest fact. It's the saddest goodbye. The moment D16 told Orion Pax, "I'm done saving you," marked the tragic end of their friendship and the definitive birth of Megatron.
And we finished drawing D16 together. Oh, if you want to color him yourself, you can download the D16 coloring page from the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next Cute Easy Draw video. Bye-bye!